Hey there guys, welcome back to another video, and today we have a Humanitarian Daily Ration, menu number 3. Let's take a look. Alright, let's get a nice close look at it. Comes in this nice thick plastic pouch. Same size as a standard MRE. This one's probably a little bit heavier. As you may already know, these were handed out during the disaster of Hurricane Katrina. These were also handed out during the invasion of Iraq as a humanitarian ration. This is a food gift from the people of the United States of America. This one is menu number 3. Nothing on the back. We have a date code of 9067, which is the 67th day of 2019. So this one is relatively new and hopefully improved. Let's check it out. All right, let's open it up. Let's see what we got. These turn notches never work. Gotta have iron grip for these. All right, we're in. Let's pull some things out. We have some cardboard papers. These are the menus. So we have a vegetable barley stew. The back we have all the nutritional stuff. We also have a rice with vegetables. Here's the nutritional stuff. Packed by Sapaco. And we have an oatmeal cookie. Nice shiny packaging. We have our spoon, napkin, and other stuff. We'll check that out in a minute. All right, we have a Pop-Tart, or 2 Pop-Tarts. You can't tell, but that's what it is. Some vegetable crackers. We have a shortbread cookie. We have our first mains, which is a rice with vegetables. Strawberry jam, some peanut butter, that shiny packaging, and this is the vegetable barley stew. Check this out. Got some matches. Moist towelette. Crushed red pepper. Our MRE spoon. Pepper and salt. Sugar. And napkin, and that's it. There we have all the components. We have a couple of mains, couple of cookies, crackers, Pop-Tarts, strawberry jam, and peanut butter, and that's about it. It's very simple, so let's check it out. We're gonna dump these in some boiling water. Let's check out some of these components. And I guess we can start with the crackers. I think the vegetable crackers are the best ones. Better than the regular crackers. It's just like your regular crackers, just has little bits of vegetables. Yeah, it's just crackers, very dry, a little bit salty. Let's check out the strawberry jam. course, we gotta try it with the cracker. There it is. All right, here we go. Yeah, nice and sweet. Tastes like strawberry jam. Absolutely nothing wrong with it. Now for the peanut butter. Of course, we're gonna make a peanut buddy. And we're just gonna leave them here. Just let them hang out. It's our peanut butter and cracker. Oh yeah, very good. Very sweet. We're gonna flip over our mains just to make sure we get both sides. Get them nice and hot. Maybe add a little bit more water. So I guess we can a little bit of a peanut butter and jelly sandwich cracker. That is excellent. You really can't go wrong with that. Let's check out our oatmeal cookie. Definitely smells sweet. It smells like oatmeal. Let's have a taste. That is actually really sweet. It's a little bit soft overall. Not bad. Let's check out the shortbread cookie. Got another cookie. Check that out. It's a little bit dense, a little bit heavy. Looks a little bit flaky. There we go. That's really sweet. Tastes kind of like a sugar cookie. Just a little bit milky, very crumbly. Definitely has a crunch to it. It's very dry, that's for sure. The sugar cookie's great, a little bit buttery, very sweet, a little bit crunchy. Let's check out the Pop-Tarts. There it is. Feels a little bit oily. Not sure why. It's actually 2 Pop-Tarts, but they're kind of welded together. You get the idea. It's supposed to be 2 Pop-Tarts. They're just smashed together, and I believe this is apple cinnamon flavor. Could be wrong, but here we go. Oh yeah. All right, I think our main entrees are ready. Let's turn that off. All right, I guess we'll start with this one. And this would be the vegetable barley stew. Smells like a tomato sauce. Here's our rice with vegetables. Let's take a look. Has a much different color. Definitely smells a little bit different. All right, let's try it out. We'll start with the vegetable barley stew. There it is. There we go. It's not bad. Definitely has a tomato flavor to it. A little bit salty. Definitely hot. Texture is very mushy. But overall, that's pretty good. It doesn't really need salt. Doesn't really need anything. You can see there's some carrots. I don't mind that at all. It's pretty good. A little bit on the salty side. It's got a nice tomato flavor. The barley, a little bit mushy, but overall, I would say it's acceptable. Let's try the rice with vegetables. Here we go. Wow. This was pretty good, actually. Almost tastes like maybe there's chicken in there or chicken flavor. Again, the texture is a little bit soft and mushy, but the flavor is actually pretty good. Has a little bit of a chickeny, almost chicken soup flavor to it. Overall, I think I prefer that one. It's pretty good. That's pretty good. I like that. It's not as salty as the barley stew. All right, guys, that's it. That was the Humanitarian Daily Ration, menu number 3 from 2019. And I have to say this one is pretty decent. It's pretty good for what it is. I really enjoyed that rice with vegetables, and all the other components were decent, nice and sweet. Nothing wrong with them. That being said, on a scale from 1 to 10, I would have to give this ration a solid 7 out of 10. It's pretty good for what it is, and I wouldn't mind eating this in any emergency situation. Definitely a must try. They're pretty cheap, so go ahead, give one a try. And I just want to give a huge thanks and shout out to all my patrons. Thank you so much for your support. And as always, thank you guys for watching. See you soon.